Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 243. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 9, 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. Got a 3 here and a 5 here, so this is our 6. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here, so this is our 9. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're just missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row now, we're just missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this top row, we're just missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. That 9 makes us our 8, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.